comeback? Actually, I never left, but I had a break for 6 months from YouTube, and this is my comeback. So let's make it a bit more cinematic. While I had a break from YouTube, I was trying to improve my filmmaking skills. And I also decided to start with English videos. And it's simply because over 80% of my viewers aren't from Slovakia, so that's why I changed language. And now let's have some fun on the beach.
You better grab that tambourine, bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it, that's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it, crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys next time.